So far, we've learned how to play quarter notes. In a measure of 4/4, there are 4 quarter notes in each measure. Here's one measure of 4/4 on open D string, 4 quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if we divide that measure in 2, we get 2 half notes. Half note gets 2 beats each. In a measure of 4/4, again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So those are much longer bows than the quarter notes. In this lesson, we'll start by playing 2 half notes and 4 quarter notes, starting on open C, 2 half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember, lean in with the index finger on your right hand to really produce a really large and beautiful sound. Let's do that again, starting on the A string, 2 quarter notes and a half note. 1, 2, 3, 4. And those are long bows.